You guys hearing something? Check the bathroom.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Here we go!
You want mate?
The alerts or just broadcast will automatically weekly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent. This test is normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is subject, the alert comes from only each provided for the time of jump. With Central Illinois, lower 40s. Highs in the lower 70s. Mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. High in the mid-70s to lower 80s. Southeast wind 10 to 15 miles per hour in the morning, shifting to the south in the afternoon. Gusts up to 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Tonight, mostly 30 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then showers likely and slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Here is the regional forecast summary. A large storm system over the Central Plains will track into South Central Canada tonight, pushing a front into Central Illinois. Nice. This is a test of NOAA weather radio. The initial signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn the impending special receivers to warn the impending conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of good weather days. And the warning alarm feature will normally vary with the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver and good working order. We now return to regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Shelbyville, Effingham, and surrounding areas of central Illinois.
Even though you're close to 30 minutes late, nice.